So today we are talking about the alphabet B. Okay. Like what are the personality traits for the letter B? B for boy, B for Bajrangbali. Okay, B for Bhagwati Devi, B for Bhavya, Bhuvneshwari. There are so many names. Okay, so let me tell you the first fact about the. That is they are very sensitive kind of a person. They are loving and caring, and they are like a social butterflies. They want to stay in the society with doing the social work. Okay, the second fact is they are more romantic than the letter A. So like they have a more interest towards the Kama Sutra. Like they want to read some books on the Kama Sutra or like that. So this is a second fact. Now third fact is about money. So they value money a lot. Okay, so like the money is very important to them because their philosophy is like कि अगर पैसा है तो ही रिश्ता है, और इस सांसारिक जीवन में धन के बिना आपको सुख नहीं मिल सकता है. सो दे थिंक लाइक दैट कि दुनिया जो है, जीवन जो है वो शब्दों से नहीं पैसों से बात होती है, नोटों से बात होती है. ऐसा उनका कुछ फिलॉसफी रहता है. फोर्थ इज अबाउट दे स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दोज पीपल हु टॉक नॉनसेंस. सो like they don't want to indulge in their nonsense talks, or they do not want to destroy their brain cells. So this is about fourth fact. Now the fifth fact is about they are also short tempered like letter A. If they get anger, like their anger goes to the seventh sky or the seventh cloud. तो अगर उन्हें गुस्सा आ जाए तो उनका गुस्सा जो होता है वो सातवें आसमान तक जा सकता है. That's why. तो अब मुझे कोल्ड हो रखा है. Okay, now next and the sixth fact is that no one can win a debate with them. No, so अगर आप उनसे कोई argument करते हो, so you have to decide that you will never argue with such kind of the people. Now the seventh fact is about the drawback. तो उनके क्या सबसे बड़ी कमी होती है? सेम लाइक द लेटर ए, लाइक दे डू नॉट इफ दे डू नॉट लाइक समवन, दे डोंट वांट टू सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. सो इफ यू ट्रीट देम वेल, दे विल गिव यू देयर हार्ट, और लाइक दे विल ग्लोरीफाई यू इन सोसाइटी. बट इफ यू मॉलेस्ट देम, so they will take revenge, or they will destroy you, or they will not even like to see you in their life. So be careful about when you are dealing with such kind of the people. Now letter, this is a tetracycline and amro plus menthol syrup. This is very good for the cup. So मैं पहले दवाई ले लेती हूँ, उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे. ठीक है. Eighth fact is about their career life. Okay, there is no doubt of the skills and the talents in them. They are so multi-talented kind of person, and they are like in every department. They people like hard work in silence, and they make their success noise in the society. So they are kind of a secretive person, and they make their career in the navy, army, police, civil services, or in a business, anywhere. And ninth is about love life. If you talk about the love life, they do not fall in love very quickly with someone. They are very clever. They see all the merits and demerits of the partner before falling in love. So they are very clever person. Like before falling in love, पूरा वो इंस्पेक्शन करते हैं, पूरी जांच पड़ताल और निरीक्षण करेंगे that he or she deserve me or not, like सारे उसके गुण और अवगुण देखेंगे. Okay, and they are loyal and honest in a relationship, or like they prefer arranged marriages rather than the love marriages. However, they like to do love marriage, but some of them are successful, and they are very secretive like letter A. They do not share their feelings and emotions to others at all. So they are like a criminal minded person. So उनके दिमाग में कुछ चलता रहता है. They do not want to share. Okay, now 10th point, that is about the conclusion. Okay, so they are very happy kind of a person. They get happiness with the small things, like if you are giving a gift if you are a pen or a diary or a chocolate, you know, a rose, so they will become so happy. So you have to understand, if you are dealing with if you are dealing with such kind of people whose names belongs to letter B, you have to be careful. So if you want to get a life partner whose names belongs to letter B, so what you have to do, just go to the Bajrangbali temple and offer some flowers or like betel nut or pan or a pen or a diary, so he will become happy or she will become happy. So अगर आप बी लेटर के लाइफ पार्टनर अपने जीवन में चाहते हैं, या इफ़ यू वांट टू डील विद सच काइंड ऑफ पीपल, यू हैव टू डू सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट डीलिंग. You have to be careful when you are talking or when you are dealing with letter B. So this was about the letter B, and thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Shri Krishna, and bye bye.